Hello everyone, this is Amit Kumar from BCA PPU Batch 1 students, and in this video we will going to know some basic concepts of threshing. So basically threshing is directly connected with the degree of multi-programming. So what is degree of multi-programming is a number of process that comes in the main memory. So it means that we are bringing more and more process in the RAM so that CPU idleness would decrease. So suppose there is process P1, P2 and P3. They are CPU is performing execution with the three processes, and if there is lack of processes, suppose these three processes asks the requirement of IO devices. If there is requirements of IO devices, then the processes will go into the ready states, and if the processes will go in the ready state, the CPU idleness will be increased. So preventing the CPU from going to the idle states, we are bringing more and more processes in the RAM so that the CPU may continue its execution. So that's why I mentioned here that it directly connected with the degree of multi-programming. Now we will understand the threshing with an example. Suppose there are 5 processes. Before explaining you through the example, I will say something about paging. See, our RAM is limited. If we bring more and more processes, then there will be no space. So that what the concept of paging was introduced. Paging is basically what that we are dividing the pages and that we put that pages in the main memory. So now we will break these processes into the pages and we will put in the memory. Suppose page 1 का पेज नंबर 1, पेज 2 का पेज नंबर 1 एंड पेज 3 का पेज नंबर 1, लाइक दैट. सबका एक एक पेज हम लोग मेमोरी में लाएंगे ताकि जो मैक्सिमम इन्वॉल्वमेंट हो सके प्रोसेस का रैम में. जब मैक्सिमम इन्वॉल्वमेंट हो, दैट डिग्री ऑफ मल्टी प्रोग्रामिंग इंक्रीज होगा तो CPU आइडलनेस से बचेगा. सो नाउ इन दिस केस, if CPU will ask page 1 of process 1, then there is no problem. And then suppose the case arises that when the CPU asks for the page number 2 of page 1, then there will be page fault. And if the page fault occurs in a system, we use page fault service time. Page fault service time. So this is what the threshing is. In a simple definition, we can say that when page fault occurs, the operating system gets entirely busy in servicing the page fault by using the page fault service time by bringing the page from the hard disk to the main memory. So there is a time taking process. So if the operating system is entirely engaged in bringing the page from hard disk to the main memory, then the normal execution, the execution which should be done by the operating system, will be negligible or reduced. Thank you.